Alright, today we've got a B&D power drive roller door motor. The LED lights are flickering, so if yours are doing this, we'll show you how to fix it. And also this one opens up all on its own, or by pressing the cover in, the door opens up, so we're going to fix that too. So start by removing this single screw down the bottom of the cover. Hopefully it stays there. I've only got one hand free today. And yep, pop that screw out, and then pull off your light cover. Now we're going to flip it over, but we'll get some light in the garage first by pressing the operate button. And turn your cover over. We're going to look for this little tab right here, which operates the LED brightness button. So we're going to use the point of this, and we're going to poke it into the end of the tab and bend that outwards towards us a bit. So what that's going to do, it's going to press on this LED illumination button right here. What that does, it dims the lights when you take the cover off so you don't get blinded, and then it brightens them back up when you put the cover back on. So that's not doing its job. So bend that tab out like that, and then when we put the cover on, it will press on that LED illumination button. Now the operate button right here is what's causing the door to open up on its own. It's been caved in by someone pressing it too hard, but they are a bit poor quality buttons as well. It's just a little plastic cover with a little plastic coin thing inside there. So we're just going to poke that back out again, and hopefully that's enough to stop the button from pressing on the small button inside the circuit board there. Alright, we'll close that door back down a bit so we can get a bit of room, and we'll slide our cover tabs back up into the motor. Just align those properly, and then push the cover on, and your LED should light up straight away. Perfect. And now hopefully that stays there while I put the screw back in. Then I'll grab my multi-tool screwdriver and we'll pop that screw in all the way. Alright, looks like our LEDs have stopped flickering. That operate button's still a little bit dodgy. We'll just play around with that a bit. And that looks like it should be okay. If that doesn't work, you can take off the little hard plastic coin from behind the cover there on the operate button, but that looks pretty good. Alright, so that's how you fix a couple of problems in your B&D power drive roller door motor. Beauty!
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.